Hello students, this is Neha Mathur and today I am going to discuss G parameter from a series of two-port network. But before starting the topic, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. From the next videos, I am going to discuss numericals from two-port network. Fine. So now I am going to start G parameter from two-port network. See, G parameter is also known as inverse hybrid parameter, or I can say inverse H parameter. So it is clear from the name itself that G parameter is the opposite of H parameter. So as I already told you that for the two-port networks we have four variables V1, I1 and V2 and I2. Now here for G parameters the dependent variables will be I1 and V2. These are going to be dependent variable opposite to H parameter. In H parameter we have I1, V1 and I2 dependent variable, while I1 and V2 is treated as an independent variable. While in the case of G parameters we have I1 and V2 as an dependent variable, while V1 and I2 is treated as an independent variable. So once you will be able to find the dependency and independency of all those variables, the next step is you will have to write equation on behalf of this consideration. So here we have I1 and V2 as an dependent variable. So the equation will start from I1 is equals to G11 V1 plus G12 I2. Similarly, the second equation will be, the second dependent variable is V2, so the equation will start from V2 and the V2 will be equals to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. So the thing is how I wrote these two equations. So it is clear that we have two dependent variable I1 and V2, and I1 and V2 will going to start the two equations, and it is clear that these two variables is definitely going to be dependent on V1 and I2. This is the reason that I1 and V2 is treated as dependent while V1 and I2 is treated as an independent variable. Fine. So if you are able to write these two equations on behalf of this consideration, the next step is we'll have to find G parameters. So for the calculation of G parameters, we'll have to take help of both the equations. Again I have four parameters G11, G12, G21 and G22. So I am going to start from G11, which is going to be calculated with the help of equation 1. Similarly G12 is also calculated with the help of equation 1. So equation 1 is going to be helpful for the calculation of G11 and G12. G1 can be calculated by putting I2 is equals to 0. So whenever you are going to put I2 is equals to 0, your G11 will be I1 divided by V1. Similarly for the calculation of G12, I will have to take V1 is equals to 0. If you are finding some observations over here, you will find that this is definitely opposite to H parameter. So G12 is equals to I1 divided by I2. Now there is no use of this equation because this equation is helpful to write the two parameters only, and these parameters are G11 and G12. Now the next task is, what about G21 and G22? So G21 can be calculated by putting I2 is equals to 0. So again I will have to take I2 is equals to 0, and once I am taking I2 is equals to 0, G22 will become V2 divided by V1. Similarly G22 can be calculated by putting V1 is equals to 0. So as V1 is going to be 0, G22 will become V2 divided by I2. This is all about the four parameters of G parameter from two-port network. Now as I am following the traditional approach, now I will have to write the relevant units and you can see over here that G11 is a ratio of current and voltage, so the unit will be ohm. Similarly, G12, which is a ratio of current and current, there will be no unit, it is going to be unitless, dimensionless. Similarly, G21 is again also a ratio of voltage upon voltage, so it will also be treated as a dimensionless, there will be no unit for this. And G22 is a ratio of voltage and current, so the unit will be ohm. See, this is wrong, I write over here ohm, but it will be mho, because it is a ratio of current and voltage, so it will be mho, while the ratio of voltage and current is going to be ohm. So this is all about the units of relevant parameter. Now the next is the concept of short circuiting and open circuiting of the relevant parameter. And as I already told you in all the previous parameters, for the calculation of G11 and G21, I am putting I2 is equals to 0 for the calculation of G11 and G21. Similarly, for the calculation of G21 and G22, we are taking V1 is equals to 0. And I hope if you are following my previous videos, the answer is already in your mind, that what will be approach for the calculation of these parameters in terms of short circuiting and open circuiting of relevant parameter. If you are following, you will be able to find, since I am taking I2 is equals to 0, that means I will have to consider open circuit. What port is going to be open circuit? Port 1 or port 2? It is clear since this is I2. So now port 2 is going to be open circuit for the calculation of G11 and G21. Similarly, here I am taking voltage is equals to 0. That means I will have to take short circuiting of port 1 or port 2, since this is V1. So now port 1 is going to be short circuit. This is the basic traditional concept of G parameters, that in G parameter I have G11, G12, G21 or G22 in terms of V1, V2 and I1, I2, instead of having V1 and I2 as an dependent variables. Here I have I1 and V2 as independent variables. So I can say that the second name of G parameter, which is inverse hybrid parameter, is justified. So this is all about the G parameter. Here we'll have to consider port 1 short circuiting for the calculation of G21 and G22. Similarly, we'll have to again consider port 2 as an open circuit for the calculation of G11 and G21. This is all about the G parameter from two-port network. I hope you are following. So today we completed the complete series of two-port network. From the next videos, we will discuss the relevant numericals from two-port network. I hope you are following the concept. If you are following, consider to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get updated for the upcoming videos. Like, share and subscribe my channel so that all the students can get benefited from all the relevant videos. Fine. Thank you.